Hi, my name is Zin, and artistic background is to draw, and my major is digital animation.
Hi, my name is Tyler Godby. I have been drawing since I was about 4 years old, and I am majoring here at Montgomery College in illustration.
In digital design and web development, MC offers an AAS in animations, graphic design, and digital arts and web technology, and a certification in those fields.
You can try many things as a general art. That's what many people do. So they can try out like illustration or Photoshop or animation to figure out what they like before changing that to be their major completely. And it's a nice way to save money also.
The professors here are very kind, and they know what they're talking about, and they try to help the students both in and out of class.
I plan on transferring, so this would be my last semester here, and getting enough credits to transfer to an actual art school to continue on to my major and then do internship and all of that.
I plan to, get my foot in the door in the work world. I want to be a character designer at an independent studio. That would be really nice. Either that or just freelance, which I could also do.
For more information, visit montgomerycollege.edu.